The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. The Russian Defense Minister has appointed Army General Sergey Surovikin as commander of the combined group of troops in the area of the special military operation. The enemy, with the help of 2 reinforced battalions, has attempted an offensive towards Kupiansk near Persotravnevoye and Yagodnaya in Kharkov region. All attacks by the armed forces of Ukraine have been successfully repelled by the Russian troops. More than 100 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 5 infantry combat vehicles and 4 motor vehicles have been destroyed. As a result of massive strikes on advancing enemy reserves near Petropavlovka in Kharkov region, more than 110 Ukrainian servicemen of the 14th Mechanized Brigade and the 19th Territorial Battalion of the Ukrainian troops near Petropavlovka have been destroyed. In another unsuccessful attempt by 2 reinforced companies of the Ukrainian armed forces to cross the Zhorobets River, the Russian troops destroyed over 30 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 infantry fighting vehicles and 5 pickup trucks towards Krasny Liman. The provisional bases of the 17th Tank Brigade and the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian armed forces have been destroyed by the Russian aerospace forces near Seversk, Novoye and Yampolovka of the Donetsk People's Republic. Over 100 Ukrainian servicemen and 12 units of military equipment have been eliminated. An attempted counterattack by units of the 115th Mechanized Brigade and the 1st Ukrainian Presidential Regiment of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been repelled towards south of Donetsk. More than 90 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 8 armored fighting vehicles and 6 motor vehicles have been eliminated. In total, 316 airplanes and 158 helicopters, 2,176 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,494 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 866 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,457 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,395 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. Despite the presence of the International Atomic Energy Agency representatives at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant, Kiev regime continues provocations aimed at posing a threat to create a technological disaster. Energodar and the area adjacent to the nuclear power plant were shelled twice by the Ukrainian armed forces using Grad multiple rocket launchers. A total of 15 rockets were fired by Ukrainian troops from Marganets in the Dnepropetrovsk region. As a result of the Ukrainian rockets hitting near the industrial zone, a power line supplying the plant's own needs and power supply to Energodar was knocked out. Enemy firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counterattack. Backup diesel generators are in place to ensure the operation of the nuclear power plant. Repair work to restore power supply to the nuclear power plant and the city of Energodar is currently being completed. The radiation environment at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal.